In question 3C, now this is a permutations and combinations question, so I thought I might read you the little story that the question's giving you. So, Sophie has 5 coloured blocks, 1 red, 1 blue, 1 green, 1 yellow, and 1 white. She stacks 2, 3, 4, or 5 blocks on top of one another to make a vertical tower. So the first part of the question asks us how many different towers can be formed if she was to stack 3 blocks on top of each other. So we're only going to be focusing on this tower. So how do we do this question? Well, we just need to figure out how many ways Sophie can do this such that she has 3 blocks. So the first part to think about is what will the base block be? Well, Sophie has a choice of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 blocks. So any of the 5 blocks can be the bottom one. So we'll say that she has 5 options for that part. Now if we move on, we have now the second block to be stacked. But now since that one of the blocks is already gone, she only has a choice of 4 blocks now. So that way, she now has only 4 options to go. So when we move up to the last block, the third block, Sophie's only left with 3 blocks. So she has either, like for instance, green, yellow, and white. So that means she has 3 options left. So if we multiply each of these numbers together, those are the total number of ways she can stack 3 blocks on top of each other and have different combinations. So the final answer for this will be 60 ways. So Sophie has 60 ways to stack 3 blocks. Okay, so the second part of the question now says, how many different towers can she form in total? Well, this isn't too bad because we just have to perform the same process just with the cases for the 2 block high, 4 block high, and the 5 block high tower. So to start off, we consider the second case. So we'll start with the 2 block high. So similar to this question, she only has 5 blocks to choose for the base block and 4 for the second block. For the fourth one, she has a choice of 5 for the bottom, 4 for the second, 3 for the third, and 2 for the last. And finally, if she wants to stack 5 blocks, she has 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1, or 5 factorial, if you want to talk about it like that. So the total ways to do this is we just have to add this ways, this ways, this ways, and from part I. So the total number of towers Sophie can make is 5 times 4 plus 60 from part I plus 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 plus 5 factorial. And now this is 20 plus 60 plus 120 plus 120. And this is going to be equal to 80 plus 240. So the total number of ways is 320. And that's it.